Ayan nga guys, naglalaro nga tayo dito. And sali tayo dito sa birds. Let's go. I want to be person. Ayan guys, let's go. Bitawan natin siya dyan. Yung duck. Then, let's go to the up. Let's go up. Then get him. The duck. Let's go na guys. Hindi ko pa kasi masyadong alam ito eh. First game ko pa lang dito guys. Sa carry a duck. So let's go guys. Ayan. Sige, sinusundan ko lang yung mga steps. Tapos put natin dyan yung duck. O yan guys. Pinipindot niya lang yung yellow. So yun yung magiging daan natin guys. So let's go. So tara guys. Ayan, napindot na. Let's get him the duck. Wala. Saan pa pumupunta ay dito natin guys. Di ko nga kilala kung sino ito nakuha ko guys na pangalan. Dito lang yun sa Roblox. Mahilig din kasi ako maglaro natin ng Roblox. So let's go guys. Ayan na. Jump tayo dito. Sinusundan ko lang yung step. Hindi ko pa kasi masyadong alam. Then open the gate. Nakita ko. For the duck. Well, let's go na guys. Let's jump there. And guys, may parkouran pa. Parkour obby. Oh, let's go guys. Let's wait him. A duck. Hintayin natin yung duck guys. So, ayan. Get him this way. Kukunin ko na nga siya dito guys. Ayan. Oh, intra. Ayan, nakuha ko na siya. So, let's go guys. Ayan, sumusunod lang talaga ako guys sa mga instructions na nababasa ko. So, let's go there. Jump. Jump there. Jump. 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 Let's go. There. Ay. Baba ko muna ulit yung duck, guys. Then, I'm waiting for him. Oh, guys, parang may mga dun na. May mga palakol. Parang meron, guys. OMG. Kailangan nating makatawid dun. Ayun na, guys. Napindot na ng duck. So, let's go na guys. OMG. Oh, go. Okay. Ayun guys. Talon. Binibilis ako. Oh, faster. Ayun guys. Buti yung bilis ko guys. Tumakbo. Ayun guys. Open na natin. Ito. Kasi pag may nakikita tayong button or watch, pipindutin talaga natin yung dito sa duck. So, let's go guys. Wait him for a time. Para may daanan tayo. Ayan guys. So, let's go there. OMG! Meron na namang itak! Oh! Natalo ako guys. Natalo kami. Wala na guys. Oh, so yung nakalaro ko pala is yung girl. I don't know what her name. Ayan pala yung name niya. Mili. Hindi ko alam. Hindi ko gets. So, let's go dito guys. Sumali siya sa iba. So, sa iba, hintayin natin sila maglaro. Then, I'll join with us. Ayun guys, may maglalaro yata. Join sana ako sa kanya. Let's go guys. Oh, wala akong Robux. No, I can press that. Naubos yung Robux. Also, let's go guys. Ayan, maging person na naman ang people. So, let's go guys. Gagawin lang natin ulit yung ginawa natin kanina. Ayun na guys. Diba? I'll wait for him. Parang gusto ko maging duck kasi lagi sila guys. Gusto nila. Ayun guys. Yung ibang duck naman siya. Yung kanina guys, nakita nyo yun. Sinamural na duck. So, let's go guys. There. Let's jump there. Parkour lang. Pag nahulog ka dito guys, talo ka na. Okay? So, let's go. Interact the cat. Ay, the cat tuloy. The duck guys. So, ayan. Ginawa niya na ako ng tulay. Let's go guys. Oh. Ayan, let's go. Gagawin na natin ulit yung ginawa natin kanina. Then, where is she? Let's go there. Then, put this there, and there. Okay, let's go. And there. Let's go. Okay, jump na tayo, guys. Nilagay ko na rin yung duck dun. Para makaano na siya, guys. Let's go. Don't forget to follow, like, and subscribe pala, guys. Follow tuloy. Follow the instruction na lang. Ganon. I'm waiting for him. Where's the duck? Oh, I don't know. Where is she? Is that there? Dapat, guys, bawal malapitan ng duck yung di ba? Ayun, guys, I'm waiting for him. She's so slow. Be faster. Okay. And guys, she now click the button or what. So let's go, guys. Let's go there. Tagal niya kasi, guys. So I click the button first. So I'm waiting for him. Where is she? He is that. He is her. Okay, let's go. Okay, let's go. Sa tulay, then there. Jump. Let's jump. So, kanina, guys, di ba ang ganda dito lang, dun lang yata kami. Napalakol na ako, God. Di ko kasi alam, guys. I don't know how to parkour here. Because I'm a new, bagong laro ko lang to, guys. This is my new game. Yung Carry and Duck. Okay, so let's go. So let's go, guys. Oh, buti naka-parkour ako doon. Okay, guys, ang tagal ng duck ko. Please connect mo na yung tulay. Oh, where is she? Faster. Oh, okay. Puso. Oh my god. Let's run. Oh my god. Okay, let's go. Oh, it's her now. So let's go na, guys. I'm waiting for him. Na, guys. OMG. Oh, ayun na, napindot niya. Buti naman. She waiting for me. Oh, let's go, guys. Let's go parkour this again. Hanggang dito lang ako kanina, no, guys. Natalo na ako. OMG. Oh, wait. And guys, let's go. Oh! May ganito rin pala. Basic lang yung ganun sa akin, guys. Ayan, diba? Let's go, guys. Tuloy-tuloy lang. Then, baba natin siya ulit dyan. Yes. Then, we're going. Oh, no. Hindi ko na alam kung ano yung next step. Paano na to? How? So, sasakay ka lang dyan, guys. So, sumakay na nga ako. Ayan, sasakay. Gets ko na ngayon. Tagal ng duck ko. Saan na siya? Where is she? Okay, let's go. Okay. Oh, let's get him the duck. And interact again. So, dito tayo magtutuloy, guys. Halata naman may button kasing pipindutin. Diba? So, let's go there. Para makatawid siya. Oh, yan. Let's go, guys. We interact now. I interact you now. Okay, let's jump there. Siyempre, kung saan lang may button, guys, doon ako susunod, siyempre. Di ko naman kabisado to, guys. Because I'm new player in Carry and Duck. So, let's go, guys. Oh, malapit na yata itong matapos to, guys. Parang ano lang siya no guys, carry an egg. Alam ko kasi yung carry an egg, pero yung carry an duck, di. Alam ko na kasi yung mga steps nun guys. So, let's go. Oh, wait. Baka mamaya biglang, ano yan, mahulog pa ako. Matatalo na naman kami, guys. Oh, yes. Let's go. Where's the duck? Ayan na siya, guys. Here is she. Let's go. So, eto guys. Oh, let's go. Ayan guys. May ganyan rin pala yung daan dito. Like, oh my god. Ano yun? Yung parang nahulog sa taas. Oh my god. Ang ganda naman dito. Wow. It's so beautiful here. Okay, wait. Okay. Oh no! I'm full again? No! Why? We already lost again.